I'm Miss Mary from the Gloucester Branch Library, and today for our STEM is Fun activity, we are going to make a cotton ball shooter. So you're going to need 2 toilet paper rolls, a cotton ball, some duct tape, a pencil, a hole puncher, some rubber bands, and some scissors. Alright, so it's actually really easy to do this, and once you've made one, I hope you have fun having a cotton ball war. But please don't shoot anything that isn't cotton balls or soft out of these. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is cut your toilet paper roll lengthwise where I've drawn this line. So we're going to go ahead and cut that here. And then you're going to roll this up. It doesn't have to be super tight, but it does need to fit inside of the other toilet paper roll. And then go ahead and duct tape that down. Try to avoid duct taping the ends. You're going to need to put holes in this, and it's pretty tricky to hole punch through duct tape. So now you've got your smaller tube, fits inside your bigger tube, and you're going to use your hole puncher to punch 2 holes at the end of this tube. This part can be a little tricky, so don't feel bad if you have to ask for help. Once you've got your holes punched in on either side, you're going to take your pencil and wiggle it through the holes. Just like that. So this is going to be your lever. It's going to go inside the other tube, and you're going to pull back and shoot the cotton ball with it. Which leads us to this. For this one, you are going to need to cut 4 slits into the top of it. So these 4 slits are going to be at the top, and they are going to hold your rubber bands in place. So you want to cut them the same length down. About a ½ inch is good. Doesn't have to be exact, but it does help to make them the same. So we're going to go ahead and cut those in. And you've got these little pull-out flaps. Now you take your rubber bands and you place them on the flap. Oops. Just like that. Now you need most of the rubber band to go inside your tube. So it's going to look a lot like that. And then you'll do the same on the other side. Now this part is very important. You need to use duct tape again, or whatever tape you're using, to secure these flaps back to the rest of the tube so they're not flip-flopping around. So go ahead and get your duct tape out, and making sure your rubber bands are inside the tube, duct tape them down. So this is going to do 2 things. One, it's going to make your flaps not flop around. And 2, it's going to make sure your rubber bands can't shoot off. And that's the very important thing, because I don't want you to end up having your cotton ball shooter fall apart. So, looks something like this right now. You've got your rubber bands inside here. Now you just got to reach in and pull them out. You can pull them out one at a time, or both of them at a time. And the only tricky thing there is make sure they don't get crisscrossed. Then go ahead, pick up your pencil, put it inside your tube, and use your rubber bands around your pencil to hold it into place, just like that. So now when you pull back, it shoots forward. Let's give it a test, shall we? Our cotton ball, right at the top, pull it back, and out it flies. All right, once you've had fun engineering this, I hope you have fun playing with it. And thank you for joining me. Goodbye.